Hi guys, so let's solve this next question based on ratios. It's a very good question. To form a government, a party or an alliance should have at least two-third majority. In the assembly, the strength of the ruling and opposition alliances is in the ratio 16:7. Three parties, ABC, FGH, and TUY, formed the ruling alliance, while the opposition consisted of DEF and XYZ. Initially, the ratio of assembly members from ABC, FGH, and TUY was 3:8:5, and that of DEF and XYZ was in the ratio 13:8. After a major political controversy, all alliances broke and a new government was formed. Now, the ruling party consisted of DEF, FGH, and TUY, and it had 30 MLAs more than what was required to form two-thirds of the total assembly strength. Find the strength of the assembly. We have four options: 335, 345, 355, and 365. So you can just pause the video, guys, and give it a try, and then you can resume to check the solution. Please try. All right, guys. So there are three parties: A, B, C, F, G, H, and TUY, who are forming the ruling alliance, right? So A, B, C, F, G, H, and TUY, they form the ruling alliance, and DEF and XYZ form the opposition. So ruling alliance and the opposition. Okay. Now, as per the question, the ratio of these three number of members is 3:8:5. Now, if this is the ruling alliance, the total will be 3 plus 8 plus 5 corresponding to 16 units. And the opposition consists of DEF and XYZ. The ratio of these number of members is 13:8. Okay, the total will be 13 plus 8, that is 21. Now, if you look at the question, guys, in the assembly, the strength of the ruling and opposition alliances is in the ratio 16:7. So the ruling alliance is 16 units. That's correct, 16 units here, which we have. But the opposition party is 7 units, which we have as 21 here, right? Since 21 is 3 times 7, we basically multiply this ratio with 3. Okay, or we get 3 into 16 as 48 as the total number of people in the ruling party, and the opposition will consist of 21, such that 48:21 is nothing but 16:7. All right, so actual number of members in each parties will get multiplied by 3 here, into 3 into 3 into 3. So the number of members from ABC is 3 3s are 9. Number of people or number of members from FGH is 8 3s are 24. Number of members from TUY is 15. Okay, DEF is 13 and XY, that is 8. As such, no change. All right. Now, the total number of people in the assembly is 48 plus 21, right, guys? The ruling party members are 48 and the opposition is 21. The total value is 69, and two-thirds of this is 46, and this is the magic number. This is the minimum number of people required to form a government. Now, as per the question, guys, as per a major controversy, all the alliances broke and a new government was formed. Now, the ruling party consisted of DEF, basically DEF, FGH, and TUY. Okay, this is the ruling party. The total number of members is 13 plus 24 plus 15. This comes out to be 52. Okay, this is more than the number required to form the majority by 52 minus 46, that is 6 units. They're saying that now the ruling party consisted of these three particular members and it had 30 MLAs more than what was required to form the two-thirds of total assembly strength. So 52 is 6 more than 46, which is given in the question as 30 MLAs, right? So guys, if 6 corresponds to 30 MLAs, the question is find the strength of the assembly. The strength of assembly is 48 plus 29 that we have found, 69. So 69 will correspond to how much? If you observe, 6 into 5 is 30. 69 into 5 will be your required answer. 70 into 5 is 350. Minus 1 into 5 is 345. And that's the required answer. Option B. A very simple question, guys, just that you need to manipulate the ratios 16:7 to give 48:21, and then things will automatically fall in place.